Open banking is one of the hottest topics in financial services, but it's also a really tricky concept to define. When we talk about open banking, we typically talk about the outcomes, the products and services, or we talk about the laws underpinning open banking. In this short video, I'll explain exactly what the idea of open banking is. So what is open banking? Open banking is the idea that financial data and financial products should be accessible outside the bank's closed ecosystem. When we talk about a closed ecosystem, we mean the app, the website, the branch, or even paper statements. These are entirely controlled by the bank itself. Open banking says the power should be shifted to consumers and businesses. If I want to share my financial data with a company, because I see value in that, my bank should facilitate it. I shouldn't have to go to my bank app to see my financial data. Similarly, if I would like to make a change to my bank account, i.e. make a payment, I should be able to do that on the company's website that I choose rather than setting up that payment in the bank website or branch. There are three other key things you should bear in mind when you think about the concept of open banking. The first is that open banking doesn't define a set of products. Open banking allows you to access the data and services that your bank provides you in other channels. This means that if your bank doesn't offer you instant payments, well, open banking APIs don't have to offer instant payments. It's all about where you access the data and services, not exactly what data and services are included. Secondly, in almost every instance of open banking, any company has the ability to access the data or initiate payments. These companies generally require some form of licensing, but what's so important is that banks can't decide who actually accesses the data or services. So this means that if I compete with your bank can't say, no, that business can't access those products or services. And finally, open banking is generally referring to the payment accounts. These are current accounts or credit card accounts. And everything related to loans, insurance and investments is typically lumped into open finance. Now that's somewhat of a fuzzy definition, and you'll see open finance and open banking being used interchangeably in some places. Hopefully at the end of this video you have a really clear view of what open banking is and why it's so important to the economy. I'm Kieran O'Malley. Thank you very much for listening to this.